In this video, we will see how coordinates work in Revit. We need structure and architecture file here only, from which we will acquire the coordinates, and we will need only side here. Turn on internal origin, project base point and survey point. See this gray triangle, that is survey point coming from the linked model, that is structure and architecture file. And if we hide project base points, we will see our survey point is at origin and all of its values are 0. Now if we hide survey point and check project base point of the linked file, we will see it has some values. See, in linked file and host file, in both of the case survey point is at 0, so it will not acquire coordinates. Here we have to reset coordinates first. After that we will acquire coordinate. See, we have acquired coordinates from structure and architecture file. See, location of the survey point is changed now and it's showing as 0 and it's matching with the linked file. And if we check project base point, it has some values now and it's at origin and matching with the link file. Now we will explore other options here. Publish coordinates is here. We can publish our coordinates to any linked file, but this will not work in cloud model. Host models, all coordinates will be recorded in linked model. See, it's showing this option is disabled while collaborating in BIM 360. Now we have remaining two options, that is specify coordinates endpoint and report share coordinates. These two actually work together. Again we are resetting our share coordinates. See, our survey point has changed its location. Now report share coordinate and click on the linked file survey point. See, it's showing location not shared because we already resetted our coordinates. Now use specify coordinates endpoint, and if we click survey point of the link file, it will show some values here. If we click OK, it will not change anything. See, still now value of our base point is 0. And if we check survey point, it's also 0. Now again we are specifying coordinates at point. Now this time we are setting all value of survey point as 0. See, it has moved and matching with the linked model. So this is the working of coordinates in Revit. In our next video we will see working of positions. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.